Hello, I'm Dr. Kajol Parwani, consultant dermatologist, MBBS MD in dermatology. I have more than 5 years of experience in clinical dermatology as well as aesthetic dermatology. I specialize in anti-aging and laser treatments. So today I'll be addressing few questions which are frequently asked on the internet and I'll give my expert opinion on them. So cool sculpting is a form of non-invasive fat reduction treatment which is done in any part of the body which has pinchable fat like your abdominal area, bra fat, inner thighs, inner arms and double chin area. And results are given within a period of 2 to 3 months. So this treatment works on the principle of cryolipolysis in which the temperature of your body fat reaches up to minus 11 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in this treatment the visible results would be appreciated in a month of 2 to 3 months because the fat are crystallized in your body and those are excreted via your own lymphatic drainage. This treatment's results also depends on the technician's or the doctor's technique and in what part of body is your fat targeted. So first of all, we need to analyze and diagnose the type of pigmentation that you have. Depending on the layer of pigmentation, whether it is epidermal, dermal or a mixed type of pigmentation, various treatment options would be tailored according to your needs. So according to the pigmentation, first of all we take the history, how long has been the pigmentation, what have you applied, what type of skin type that you have, what ingredients or skincare routine are you following, and is there any other coexisting medical illness. All of these factors affect your pigmentation. So according to the different types of pigmentation, there are different treatments which can be tailored to your needs. The various treatments which are available can range from basic peeling sessions, Q-switch laser sessions, dermafrex services, IV drip services and various others. So HIFU treatment stands for high intensity focus ultrasound, in which ultrasound waves are used and these are penetrated at different levels in your skin to give the desirable results. In this technique, depending upon your fat content of the face or body and depending upon the tightening that you want, we can customize the treatments. In this treatment, various parts of the body like your abdominal area as well as the face and double chin area can be treated. For the face area, it does cause a shrinkage of the fat is what I would like to say, and collagen remodeling and collagen tightening. Again, this treatment is a non-invasive treatment which has just no downtime and the visible results would be appreciated in about 1 to 2 months. It also gives you reduction in fine wrinkles and gives your skin a firmer and tighter look. Hydrofacial right now is getting very popular in the market and there are different types of hydrofacial machines which are available. So now in Kaya, the hydrofacial machine which we have is the original Hydrofacial MD, which works on the technology of Vortex technology. So in this technology, there is a spiral vacuum which dislodges your impurities and hydrates in the same time. In Kaya, with the hydrofacial techniques, we can customize the treatment regime according to your skin type at that moment. And in this treatment, first we cleanse your skin, we exfoliate your skin, and at the same time we are infusing various serums that can be tailored according to your skin concern and gives you immediate effects with no downtime. So in Hydrofacial MD, the first step is of lymphatic drainage which reduces the puffiness of your skin. In the second step, we do the cleansing and infusion of various serums like AHAs, BHAs according to your skin type. And in the next step, there is cleansing and proper exfoliation of the skin that removes your clogged pores, and followed by an infusion of Brightenol, which is an brightening agent and also helps in reduction of fine wrinkles. The last step is of putting an LED light treatment, which is an anti-inflammatory treatment which gives your skin a soothing effect. So if you have any further queries or other doubts, you can definitely reach out to me at Kaya Skin Clinic, Ahmedabad.